One of the most recent news that came out regarding Milrem was a deal, or rather a tender made by the European Commission about a standardized unmanned ground system in the neighborhood of around 30 million euros, I believe it was. Could you tell us more about what exactly that means for Milrem and what that work implies for you?
Well, I think most of our participants today might not know what exactly the program we are talking about. So I just say a couple of words on the background. So until the Ukrainian crisis or war, where Russian invasion, so to say, Europe didn't invest much as the European Union collectively into defense development. But after 2014, actually, European Union realized that collective defense is also business of European Union, not only NATO. So in order to be a good partner for our NATO partners, Europe should do things together as European Union as well. And based on this understanding, a new financial instrument was devised, and that would be European Defence Fund, which is to be started in 3 years. And in order to prepare to it, two preparatory actions systems have been established. One is European Defence Industry Development Plan, and another one is is on academic side. And the objective is to select some most important for technologies and develop as a project inside Europe with companies from all member states contributing. And now amongst this 500 million program, one of the focused topics was unmanned ground vehicles. And a project of 32 million was put together. Milrem was very happy to be the lead of this development with very strong partnership companies from Germany, France, Belgium, Finland, Latvia, and Estonia, of course, Spain, and other countries as well. And we brought together technologies that enable manned-unmanned teaming. Imagine a manned vehicle and supported by unmanned assets which take on them the most dangerous roles on the battlefield. And now companies developing artificial intelligence, companies developing radio connection systems, radio systems, communications, companies developing different payloads, and so on, came together under Milrem's lead to put together this European solution for this manned-unmanned teaming, the unmanned ground vehicle, which is based on our TEAMIS platform. And I'm very happy to see this project going on, starting very, very rapidly, and in 2 years, as a deliverable of the project, we should see unmanned vehicles without weapon system. We don't talk about weapon systems. We talk about reconnaissance, we talk about logistics, we talk about casualty evacuation from the battlefield. And that is something truly useful for defense of European Union nations.